Okay, so this is going to show you how to use drop-down menus selectively on a per product basis. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into Catalog and Product Attributes, and you're going to want to create your select or drop-down attribute. I've already created one called Shop Labor so that it can be pretty versatile. It doesn't have to be narrowed down to a specific thing, and I'm going to click on that. What I'm going to do here is go ahead and add the labor processes that I'd like to be able to charge for. So I'll add a row. The things I want to be able to charge for are materials and machinery. Now, the second thing that I'd like to do in this attribute is decide what rate I would like to be able to charge for each of these labor processes. So to do that, I'm going to add a column. I'm going to call it rate. Now for materials, I'm going to charge 85 an hour. And then for machinery, I'm going to charge 65 an hour. So once I've got all that, I'll go ahead and click Save Changes down here at the bottom. So I've got my shop labor attribute with my labor processes inside of it. Now what I want to do is go into the products and decide which ones I'd like to be able to see in each product. So I've got material handling and shop machinery. So if I click on material handling, I've already got the attribute added in there, shop labor. So what I'm going to do is click this drop down. This is material handling, so I only want to be able to see the material selections in this drop down menu. So what I'm going to do is go over to this available section, and I'm going to make these unavailable, machinery. So I've got machinery unavailable and material available. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to click Save Changes. Now for shop machinery, I'm going to do the exact same but opposite. So I'm going to go down to the shop labor attribute, click the arrow, and I'm going to make material unavailable because I only want to see machinery in this product. So I'm going to click Save Changes. Now if I go to an order, we've got this one here. When I click the shop machinery product, all I see is the machinery selections, and if I click the material handling product, all I see are the material selections, even though they're localized all inside the shop labor attribute.